Do you really need design before remodeling? That's a great question. Let me walk through. All right, design, it could be something like this. This is a 3D render. Design, it could be an idea in a sketch, something like this, what it may look like, for example, like this. Design could be a couple of pictures together, but the best way to really picture your home is actually full package. Budgeting and put the final picture of your dream, what's gonna look like. Design is gonna happen either or, towards the end or in the beginning. Towards the end, you may not like what it looks like if you don't plan it. So do you really need it? It all depends. Now, do I suggest 200%? Because you're gonna be able to see what it looks like. For example, this is a bathroom, right? Here's a kitchen. You get to have the feeling what's gonna look like to stay in the space. For example, and here's the pattern of the floor. You say, you know, I don't like that. Let's just do different pattern. I don't like the island. Let's just change something different. At the stage of design, it will be a lot more cheaper to do adjustments than to do it when the home is in construction. Do you really need design before your construction? All depends. My suggestion is yes. It will be a lot more costly, a lot more cheaper if you do not like the end result. At this stage, you can tweak it and you can make it however you like. All right, I hope I was able to answer that question.